cook tacos.
No, we're not. So today we're doing the blind, deaf, mute challenge. So we're gonna bake a cake. Two people are gonna be blind with a blindfold.
Me.
2 people are gonna be deaf.
Oh, I'm blind.
And 1 person's gonna be mute. And we have to try and bake a cake together.
Yeah.
So let's see how this goes.
How do the blind people do this?
And I've got to be like, right, we're gonna set. Oh!
Blindfold us.
We're gonna set ourselves. You can do it yourself. We're gonna do it. We're
Very hard,
gonna
I'll do it.
set ourselves up. I'm actually scared of the dark. Why did I choose this one?
No, dude, I'm scared. I can't see nothing.
No scissors. I can't rip this with my mouth.
You have to melt.
Guys, this is fun.
Get that cup, get that
Grab the
cup.
button.
Using arms. Are you sure it was supposed to use that? How can we communicate? I don't understand. Cerise, why are you not talking to me? I speak this. How can we communicate it? Help me up. Slowly. How can we communicate?
I was trying to turn something on.
How can we communicate this? We're coming out with no kids.
2 cups flour, 2 cups flour. Cup, fill cup.
There's too many of us.
I'm just being aired.
And then pour it into where?
Here.
I'll hold the bowl.
You're making a mess already. This is flour, yeah?
Come on, pour it. Pour it up, pour it out. There's no flour in here, babe. Again, try again. Where is it? Yeah, go.
You got hands, you know.
Go.
No.
Quick, so Jaya, more.
Move this.
Stop, it's not going.
Move it. No, don't take the bowl
No,
away
but
from
she's
her.
putting bare extra in.
There's not even any.
More.
Siri, you hold the cup. Hold the cup.
Where is it?
That one there. That one in your hands.
Ew, why is it wet?
It's not fucking wet. It's flour.
One more, sir. Why is there so much flour in my hand?
Did I do that? Pour.
In where?
Pour.
In where?
Here, right here.
There, good.
Right, again.
Ew, what's
Again.
Flour, man. Stop.
Siri,
Stop.
What are you doing?
One more time. Stop. Oh. Let go.
Ranger.
Again.
Okay, where's the cup? Where's the cup?
Oh.
Ow, you keep smacking me. Just smack
Oh
it.
my god. I'm not cleaning this up.
2.5 teaspoons. Hey. Yeah.
Well, that's not mute, you know.
I think it needs a little dash more.
You can't
No more.
No, it's on the table. It's on the table. It's on the table.
No. Jaya, you're gonna ruin the cake.
Dash. Not too much.
1.5 tablespoons of salt.
Who? Cerise, can I have the instructions? Because I don't know what I'm doing either. Salt. Cerise, pass me. Tell me who's doing the salt.
Oh. Where? Wait. Time and start. More?
A little bit more, yeah. Stop. Wait, more. More.
How about if I do this?
That's the door.
How about if I do
That's
this?
a no.
Sprinkle.
Oh my lord.
Salt Bay! Oh,
Whisk it.
yeah, go on.
Eggs are next. No, someone. You eggs. You eggs. Yeah, you crack the eggs. Someone who can see eggs. Yes. Who? You want to crack the eggs?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, you have to crack the eggs. No, you have to crack the eggs. I can't see.
No, we need to eat this.
Fine, I'll crack the eggs. Pass me the eggs.
We can't see.
No,
We're
we
not
can't
cracking
see.
eggs. Tamia, me, Zoe, no cracking eggs.
No, we can crack the eggs.
No, because we can't see. You crack the eggs in a different bowl. No.
That's the video.
Take
Got
them.
TikTok songs on
Heat
it.
milk and
Oh,
butter.
please, just because you
In
listen to
this.
nines.
Heat milk and butter. Look, this much. That much butter. 1 cup of milk.
Nice little boy.
We need another bowl.
Yeah,
Okay,
and
we need
butter.
We need
I'll get a bowl.
No. Milk and butter. Do them with milk and butter. Go over there and do milk butter.
Is there bowls in here?
Milk butter.
Over there.
Amelia, we do the eggs.
Where's the milk and butter?
You need to measure.
It's a cheese, Zoe.
Yeah.
No, milk.
Did you just get That's
115 grams of butter.
115 grams.
So I don't want egg on my hands. Measure it.
I don't want egg on my hands.
So that's 125. So then, or look on the side measurements. 50, 50, 50, 50.
It's a little
150. Eggs.
Okay.
Me. One more crack.
Yeah, let me do it.
Okay.
Where is it? Give me an egg.
Zoe, come here.
I'm here.
It's all in my hand.
Good.
Where are you?
It's a shell. No, shell. Yes.
Yes, Shell.
No, there's no shell. Talk to Cerise.
Where's the other egg?
We don't need to whisk this no
Where's the
more.
egg? Guess egg.
Melt it in the microwave.
Egg. I need egg. Egg two, then hand wash.
Do I need to do 2 eggs as well?
Oh shit.
Zoe, you're doing 2. Oh
Yeah, you
yeah.
told me to do 2.
I did this wrong.
Oh my gosh, what are you
You
doing?
don't have to crack it.
Yes, I know it's good, but can you hold one?
Crack it. Properly.
No, but then the shell
Why are you
will get
peeling
in.
Is it here?
The shell will get in.
Take another one.
Nah, I've got it. I know how to.
Why are we using 2 bowls for eggs?
Yeah.
Okay. But do I know how to crack an egg?
Oh shit.
Oh, don't put it on
Oh
that.
shit. Team, help.
Put it in this. Good.
You're
stop.
Oh.
I've got
Where's
shell
the
on my
sink?
hand. Another egg.
Another egg for Jaya. Another egg for Jaya.
One egg.
Another egg for Jaya. Egg.
This one. Egg. Oh shit, it's all in my hands again.
Oh, you've been so quiet. You're feeling alright today.
This shell.
That was definitely Jaya because I did it clean.
You've got their stuff.
Ew, I've got egg in my hair. Have I got egg in my hair? No.
Wait. Watch out.
DJJ.
Pressure.
1.5 cup. Put them together.
Okay.
Whoa.
No, I do it in yours, Zoe.
Okay, go on.
Ah, yeah. Okay, stop. Sugar. Jaya. No, you're doing sugar, not oil.
Milk.
3 teaspoons of oil.
Zoe, I need a good playlist. What the
Vanilla.
hell?
Put a good playlist on then.
How do you want to pass it?
Oil.
Let me to put a good
As
playlist
much
on.
as you want.
No, don't cheat.
How else is it doing?
The one who holds a gun lasts forever.
I'm so loud. I'm ready so loud.
Is this what was playing?
I'm ready so loud. I'm ready.
The one who holds a gun lasts forever.
Ah!
Zoe, you know that song?
Just do your playlist.
You know what?
Fucking idiot. What? Left wrist on me, right hand on me. I'm pressing ones,
Maybe you do that dance on me. I know that love you shaking that ass on me. Young nigga ride around with him. Yeah.
I'm gonna start cleaning up. Responsible girl.
Hey, go and get that
I can
cup.
hear. Why can
Where?
I hear?
Over there.
How am I supposed to know where
Go and walk over there.
This way.
Yeah. Ah,
Out
careful.
of the way.
Pour. Slowly. Ah!
Take her whatever she want. Take her whatever she want.
I'm gonna take a bougie ice to the day when I let her pick out what.
More. Where's the vanilla? More.
I feel sick because I couldn't
Bougie
see.
ice to the day.
Yeah, same. Oh,
We need to work out his oven.
why are you shouting, first of all?
She can't hear you, dick.
Work out his oven. Oven.
Hey, I'm by the oven, Tamia. Oh, what? Oh, who's that? Ow.
See now, Cerise, you need to tap Tamia and say, speed it up, hurry up. Do you know what I mean? That's
Do
what you're
this,
basically
Cerise.
communicating.
We need the oven on so we can go in.
Do this to her.
We need the oven on, then we can pour it in the tin and
Yeah,
then
do it,
Cerise.
Cerise, did you do it?
It's happening.
Is that
What?
Trey.
What temperature?
Butter.
Say what temperature?
180 degrees. Butter, and then put paper.
Let's
Tray here.
Trey. Paper.
Oh, Cerise, out the door!
It's like this in my hair.
I was out of breath because I'm in pain. You're disgusting.
Just focus on me.
Sorry, it's Amelia. Is this the cake done then? Is it done?
Why not saying anything? Open
know,
it.
Actually, is this not dangerous?
Is this not gonna
No, Amelia. You do it.
Okay. And we'll see you in 40 minutes.
We're back, and this is our cake.
It kind of looks like bread to me.
It's like some
But we actually succeeded. I'm very surprised. There's probably a few eggshells, a bit of fingernails, finger lashes. No, not fingernails, finger lashes. Wait, what? Eyelashes. But we're gonna decorate it now, and then someone's gonna try it, not me.
What is this?
Icing.
Oh.
No.
Oh, she's ruining it.
I'm blind.
Oh, the cake's coming out.
I'm too cold at this. Oh yeah, that was a good one, isn't it?
I don't know why, but she's got marshmallows on a cake, Oreo,
Ew. Marshmallows.
sprinkles.
You take the
I don't know
marshmallows
what
off.
kind of combination this is.
Disgusting.
I've got it fine.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Can I put that on?
Go on. Oh, you're getting it everywhere.
Okay, sorry.
Ew, man. I don't want Oreo on mine. Don't put any on this cup.
No Oreo. No
Did
Oreo.
it already?
No Oreo.
You're throwing them on the table.
She knows that she's doing that. She's doing it on purpose, so don't get
Okay,
me.
no more
So tell me where it is then.
Right here in front of you. What do you say?
What's that way? I can't see.
No more Oreos. See, it's a good one. Flavor is orange.
They look good. I feel like it
No.
doesn't.
Not bad. The inside.
It looks like hard dough bread.
It does, bro.
It's like
Bro,
a
that's a bare thick.
It looks like bread, isn't it? I don't like how thick it is.
Guys, it's so thick and dense. Oh. Don't get me a plate. I'm not eating this shit.
You have to do a taste test.
No, do you know what it's tastes like there's nothing in it. Tastes like nothing. Surely you taste
It's
haven't
nice.
even marinated it yet.
There's no taste. It's a bit like vanilla.
It's not bad, to be honest.
Why does it go wet? Nah, I don't like that.
It's not
My
bad.
piece must be better than yours.
Innit? We hope you enjoyed. See you next week. Bye.
It's alright.